kung titingnan ko diyan, kaya nga, sampal yan sa House of Representatives. Siyempre, sabihin na talaga nila na they are going to parang acknowledge and they are going to ratify or certify na yung ginawa namin ay in accordance with the Constitution. Kasi that is their sole prerogative. Meron ng exclusive power to initiate.
Ang naging dahilan kung bakit ibinalik yung articles of impeachment diyan sa Kamara, yung motion ni Senator Cayetano, ay gustong paaksyonan nga ng Senado itong non-violation of Article 11, Section 3,
Okay.
Paragraph 5 of the Constitution, which provides, basahin ko lamang po, Attorney, that no impeachment proceeding shall be initiated against the same official more than once within a period of 1 year, including the circumstances on the filing of the first 3 impeachment complaints. At yung pangalawa, the House of Representatives of the 20th Congress communicates to the Senate that it is willing and ready to pursue the impeachment complaint against the Vice President. Naging reasonable ho ba itong rason ng Senado, itong motion nila?
It's kasamang Jade, no? It's a matter of record that I am me and my daughter are among the petitioners. Kasama namin si Atty. Torion. Yan ang theory namin doon sa aming kaso sa Supreme Court na yung mga requirements ng yung 1-year bar rule o 1 impeachment complaint lang ang ma-initiate within 1 year against the same public official. Yun na talaga ang main argument namin doon sa Supreme Court against yung 4th impeachment complaint na inapile. So, kabisado ko yan, yung argument na yan.
Opo.
Now, actually, kung titingnan ko diyan, kaya nga, sampal yan sa House of Representatives. Siyempre, sabihin na talaga nila na they are going to parang acknowledge and they are going to ratify or certify na yung ginawa namin ay in accordance with the Constitution. Kasi that is their sole prerogative. Meron ng exclusive power to initiate. Para bang kung ako, if I were the House, if I were the Speaker, magagalit talaga ako sa ginawa sa Senado. That's plain and simple insult. So bakit pakialaman mo yung ginawa namin? Pero yan na, politika man yan. Dinala mo niyo sa amin, politika. Di babalik namin sa inyo, politika din. Ang gumagalaw diyan kasama Jade,
Opo.
political realities. Political realities. Takot sila sa atin taga Mindanao. Because we demonstrated our power, we demonstrated our result in the midterm elections. Dalawang pistahan lang ito. Eleksyon na naman. Kasi 2 years mag-eleksyon naman kasi ang filing August, October by 2028. So, yan ang calculation nila. Sa totoo lang, they are not looking at yung constitutional side, yung legality. Wala diyan. That's why they have to be creative. Instead of dismissing it, parang gumawa sila ng kaya nga nalilito si Coco Pimentel. Pareho lang yan. Sabi niya, pareho lang yan yung palabang ilan, o sa Bisaya pa kasama din, naunay sa ilang sariling yung tari. Now, ang House, sabi niya, dapat madaliin niya yun. Forthwith. Batuhan naman sila sa Senado. Ano ba yung rules ninyo? Immediate. What did you do to that first 3 impeachment complaint? Did you act immediately na magkatabi mo na yung office ni Secretary at saka office ni Speaker? Kasi pag had they followed the rules na upon receipt of a verified impeachment complaint, the Secretary will immediately refer it to the Speaker. Yung 10-day period under the Constitution within which the impeachment verified impeachment complaint must be included in the order of business. Di lang yan mapipigilan yan. The moment it will be included in the order of business, yung 3 days naman na under the Constitution, unstoppable na yan. That would be referred to the appropriate committee, which is the Committee on Justice. And pursuant to the case of Francisco versus House of Representatives, that filing and referral to the appropriate committee on Justice, that would constitute the initiation of an impeachment complaint. Therefore, yung mga pangalawa, tatlo, apat, barred na yan within 1 year. So, kaya what did you do? Hindi man nyo yung word na immediately, hindi man nyo pinapalo. Kami naman, yung forthwith, sabihin nyo, kagad-agad. Kaya nga, politika, kasi doon din sa House, when they did it, meron din sa mga political calculation doon. Kaya nga, everything is all about politics. Yan ang plain and simple. This impeachment proceedings, this impeachment thing is all about politics.
Opo. Attorney, paano ho ba nangyari na baga lumabag ng 1 year? Kasi ito yung naging issue, di ba? Whether or not yung Kamara lumabag doon sa 1 year impeachment ban nga sa kaso ni VP Sara. Paano po yung explanation po at paliwanag po dyan para sa ating mga kababayan?
Okay. Iyan ang ball of contention namin sa aming petition sa Supreme Court. Ito lang, it's all a matter of record. Hindi naman to sub judice kasi pinagdidiscussan na din ito kahit na sa Senate. Ang theory namin ay circumvention. Yan ang theory namin, circumvention. Because while it is true there are three modes kasi how to initiate an impeachment complaint, kasamang Jade.
Yes,
First, when a member of the House will file a verified impeachment complaint. So, yun yung paraan, yun yung mechanism na doon na isubmit yan sa SICGEN, and then the SICGEN immediately transmit it to the Speaker's office. Yung explanation ng 10 days, including the order of business, in 3 days, it shall be referred to the appropriate committee. That mo yan ang kumplito na process na initiation kasi doon sa Committee on Justice, mag-determine within 60 sitting days, mag-determine yan ng sufficiency in form and in substance. So matagal yan. Pangalawang
Opo. Baka doon, attorney, magsisimula yung 1 year na period.
Yes, kung dadating na doon sa Committee on Justice.
Opo.
Kasi initiated ka na. Papasok na yung no impeachment complaint shall be initiated against the same public official more than once in a year. Papasok na yan.
Opo.
So, pangalawang mode, yung citizen. Any citizen, pwede ka mag-file. Kaya yung iba dyan, yung first kasi na nag-file as, I think second, sila mga citizens, mga civic organizations, basta, pwede yan, provided it shall be supported with an endorsement by a member of the House of Representatives or members. Yun, I think yung Makabayan Black siguro ata yun. And then, it was filed correctly kasi suportado man yun ng members ng House of Representatives. Pero, hindi na kung sabihin parang nilagay lang sa refrigerator. At saka yung third din, nilagay lang sa refrigerator ni SICGEN Velasco. Hindi niya transmit doon sa Speaker's office.
Baka nagkaroon ng delay. Parang nagkaroon ng delay.
Because they don't like the idea na dadaan sa Committee on Justice. Kaya it will take time. 60 session days. So, mapag diyan sa Committee on Justice, they are forced to give the respondent, the BP, an opportunity to rebut the impeachment complaint kasi ang pag-aawayan dyan, sufficiency in form and in substance. So wala nang panahon. So they are waiting for the third mode na under the Constitution, pag ang impeachment complaint is filed by at least one-third of all the members, that would automatically convert into an articles of impeachment and trial in the Senate shall forthwith proceed. Yan ang hinihintay nila. So siguro, by February, yung February na time na yan, meron na silang the political calculation pa rin yan. We cannot speak para bang di ba natin makita yung paano na discuss yan, how they arrive at that conclusion, kasi I'm not part of that, but we are just watching. So siguro by that time they made a decision na ituloy natin ito kasi para ma-transmit na kagad. Now, iyan na papasok yung sinabi ni Toby Tiangco. No. Madaming mga allegations doon na ginawa yon in order to cover up yung mga accusations about yung PhilHealth funds, yung mga blank doon sa GAA, yung sa BICAM, na very serious allegations. Ang dami doon na yung mga unprogrammed funds, yun naman ang parang center of discussions. May mga analysis na they wanted to cover that up by pushing this impeachment para distraction. So kaya yan, kasamang Jade, analysis lang natin yan. Why the fourth impeachment complaint was hurriedly and rashly done. Kaya nga, we question yung theory namin, while it is told that you have all the right to do that, na allowed naman yan under the Constitution, yung third mode, basta one-third, hindi nadadaan sa Committee on Justice. Pero, what did you do with the first impeachment complaint? Yun ang theory namin, circumvention. So ngayon, nandiyan din sa Supreme Court na wala pang decision. Ngayon, yan ang ginawa sa Senado na they are made to explain whether the requirement of one impeachment complaint is only yan lang ang pwedeng i-file within 1 year. So they have to explain. So of course, if I were the House, I will tell them, we follow the Constitution kasi ang paniwala namin ay tama ang ginawa namin. Okay. We are guided by the strictures or the provisions of the Constitution na yung third mode. Yung ginawa namin, one-third.
Opo.
As to what we did to the first impeachment complaint, prerogative namin yan. No. Yan ang talagang argument yan. Pero kung titingnan mo as a whole, kung ako ang nagtingin dyan, insult yan. Why are you telling us the things that are exclusively ours? So in effect, para rin na dismiss ang impeachment complaint kasi paano yung second requirement na to bind hindi ka not bind the 20th House of Representatives. So mag-antay pa tayo pag-convene ng 20th Congress, 20th House of Representatives, may bago naman silang we can't speculate or may mga reality dyan, baka may mga changes. Pero kasi anything is fluid eh. They are going to elect a new speaker or maybe they are going to retain, but the House itself will make a decision whether they are willing to pursue with the impeachment. Paano yan?